Good morning.
And good morning all my dear friends. Today I am here to perform my introduction. So my name is Payal Chandil. I am from Jampara. I have done my schooling from Government Elementary School Bethel and currently I am studying in JS Government PG College. This is all about myself. Now you are welcome to ask me questions.
Hello, Payal.
Hi Pallavi.
How are you?
I am fine and you?
I am also good. Can I ask you some questions?
Yes, you are most welcome.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Payal Chandil and I am from Jampara. There are 6 members in my family, my parents and my 3 elder sisters and me. This is all about myself.
You are from India, so tell me something about your country.
Yes, I am from India. India is a country which is situated in Asia and the India is a 7th largest country in the world and according to population there is second position.
In India, which state do you live in?
I live in India in Madhya Pradesh.
Tell me something about your state.
My state is Madhya Pradesh and the capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. There is 50 to 51 district around and the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh is Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan.
Tell me something about your district.
My district name is Bethel and there are 8 to 10 block in Bethel and the very famous place in Bethel is Balajipuram.
Are you serious for your career?
Yes, I am very serious for my career.
What do you want to become and
I
why?
want to become an army officer because I want to serve my life to the nation.
What are your hobbies?
My hobby is singing and cooking.
Which is your favorite game?
My favorite game is badminton.
Why?
Because I like to play this game. Because in this game we have relax. I feel relaxed and sometimes I enjoy this game.
Are you interested in cinema?
Yes, I am interested in cinema.
Who is your favorite actor and actress?
My favorite actor is Mr. Shahid Kapoor and my favorite actress is Mrs. Katrina Kaif.
Which is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Three Idiots.
What type of movie do you like most?
I like comedy type movies and emotional movies and also traditional and horror movies.
Which movie has inspired you most?
Three Idiots also inspired me most.
Do you like to watch TV?
Yes, I like to watch TV.
What do you watch more on time?
I watch more times interviews and on YouTube and on TV reality show of singing and dancing also.
When do you watch TV?
I watch TV when I was at the home.
Do you like to celebrate the festival?
Yes, I like to celebrate the festival but not all the time.
Which festival do you like most?
I like most Holi, Diwali and Navratri, Durga Puja.
How do you celebrate Diwali?
We celebrate Diwali by using candles and lights and making many types of sweets and worship of God.
Are you sir, किसी का पढ़ते हैं?
Hygienic.
Are you hygiene person?
No, I am not hygienic. Yes, I am hygienic person.
Do you take bath every day?
Yes, I take bath every day.
What do you take bath every day?
What? Take what? Pardon, please.
Do you take bath every day?
Yes, I take bath every day.
What o'clock do you take bath every day?
Not same time.
Do you go for morning walk?
Yes, sometimes I go for morning walk.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to do exercises.
Do you help your mother in household work?
No, I am not help my mother in household work because I also do all the work.
Do you take breakfast every day?
Yes, I take breakfast every day.
Who prepares breakfast for you?
Sometimes breakfast is prepared for me, by my mother and sometimes my roommate.
Do you take lunch daily?
Yes, I take lunch daily.
What do you generally have in lunch?
Generally, I take in lunch like chapatis and dal chawal, pulse and rice and vegetables.
Who prepare lunch for you?
Me and my roommate, we both prepare lunch for me.
What o'clock do you take lunch?
Not at not same time every day, but sometimes I take lunch 2 p.m. and sometimes 1 p.m.
What do you like to take in lunch?
I take lunch. I like to take lunch in like vegetables, pulse and rices, and many types of dishes.
What o'clock do you generally take in lunch?
I take lunch at not at same times, but many times. Many times.
Do you take dessert after lunch?
Yes,
Oh.
I take dessert after lunch.
How many chapatis do you eat in lunch?
Not same, but sometimes I take chapatis 2 and sometimes 3.
Do you like rice or chapatis more?
But I like chapati and also rice.
Do you wash your hand before you eat?
Yes, I wash my hand before I eat.
Do you eat fruits daily?
No, I didn't. No, I don't use eat fruit daily.
Which is your favorite fruit?
Papaya is my favorite fruit.
Nice talking to you, Payal.
Same to you, Pallavi.